Hello friends, here is the Magtech Grab Factory. Here we are doing the grab assemble.
Coming back to you.
It's a flat. We are doing the full assemble here. After the assemble here, we are doing the test over there. Grab is waiting for her texture. Here is our professional, eco, environment-friendly painting room. See?